Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make Nutty Fudge. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 3 cups of granulated sugar, 1½ sticks of unsalted butter, and 1 5-ounce can of evaporated milk. Also, have ready 7 ounces of marshmallow cream, 12 ounces of your favorite chocolate chips, and 1 cup of chopped nuts. A dash of vanilla extract will complete our delicious list. Now let's get cooking. In a heavy 2-quart saucepan, combine the 3 cups of sugar, 1½ sticks of butter, and the 5-ounce can of evaporated milk. Bring this mixture to a full rolling boil over medium heat. Once boiling, continue to cook for exactly 5 minutes, stirring constantly to prevent it from sticking or scorching. This step is crucial for the fudge's texture. After 5 minutes, remove the saucepan from the heat immediately. Quickly stir in the 7 ounces of marshmallow cream, the 12 ounces of chocolate chips, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until everything is smooth and melted. Finally, gently fold in 1 cup of your chosen chopped nuts, like walnuts or pecans. Work quickly before the mixture starts to set. Pour the warm fudge into a buttered 9 by 13-inch pan, spreading it evenly. Let it cool completely at room temperature for at least 2 hours, or until firm. Once set, cut your delicious Nutty Fudge into 1-inch squares and enjoy. For more great deals, and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, please see the link in the description below. It's a fantastic way to keep your kitchen clean after all that baking.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.